Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how I take mostly damp hair and using the Revlon one-step volumizer, how I get straight, like a blowout look from home. So please keep watching if you're interested in seeing how my hair comes out. I'm gonna just take half of my hair sectioned at my ears. I'm gonna take a hairbrush and try and brush out hair just a little. This is the hair tool. Now what I was surprised about, because I watched other videos as well before purchasing this, is that I thought that all of the, let's see if you can see it, I thought all of the bristles were these plastic pink tipped bristles like a regular round brush should be, but there's actually, it's like a soft brush. It's bristly. Let's see if you can see that if I get my face out of the way. It's bristly fibers around each of the plastic. The controls at the bottom, this disc slides, and their options are off, cool, low, or high. And I'm going to put it on high right now, and towards the end maybe switch it towards low, but my hair is so thick that I feel like the high setting works. It is loud, so just bear with me here. It is really smooth. I do feel like, if I could describe it, like I feel like these hairs still are a little wet, but it gets hot, so I'm like hesitant to keep going over it right now. I'm gonna maybe switch it to low to really try and get this. I mean, it still feels kind of damp, so I need to get this section better, and then I'll work to the other side. Just wanted to give you a little check-in. Okay, so I kind of finished the bottom section here. Don't mind being in the background, just working on the computer. I still don't feel like it's 100% dry, but if it dries this way and remains straight, I won't mind. It still kind of feels like, I would say like 94% dry. I can put this, I'm resting it on my lap in the meantime, like in between, and it feels warm, but not at all where it's gonna burn you or anything. And the end here, I kind of use to help guide through the hair, but you don't really need it. I just think it's a good way if you feel like you need to hold on to something, that there is something here to grab that's heat sensitive or heat protected. I'm pretty much done. I mean, I think when I did it without the hair being as damp as it was, it wasn't as poofy, but it does feel really sleek, and I feel like if I can get this to last for like 3 days or so, it's kind of worth it only having to do it once. I don't know, what do you think? I think it looks okay. What do you think, Dean?
I think it looks gorgeous. Just like my wife.
Like a little poofy, but so that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for updates on future videos. And if you want to use a Revlon, and let me know any tips that I can maybe do to get a better look or make it easier. But all in all, I think it was a success. Thanks, bye. I'm filming.
Should I not be in here?
No, you can.
Is this a blooper? Hi! This is how I curl and blow dry my hair with my new tool that I ordered from Etsy.
I'm trying to do a review of this hair tool.
Should I really not be in this picture?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Well, how's this review gonna work with this going on?
With what? You in the background?
Yeah. Wow, look at your view count going up right now. Because I'm in it. I'll tell you what, viewers love Hanson. So, I belong to the Dollar Shave Club. I do my hair with my razor. This is my dog Bailey. You can't see him, but he's a beautiful boy. All he gets is brush.
Ow.